guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we are back. I'm back with a new tech topic to discuss. So, generally, when I take tech topic videos, it's about new advancements and about new technologies that are emerging. But today, I'm taking a little devotion. I really want you to understand why we understand or learn about this technology and why we are problem solvers rather than people who study some certain technologies or people who fall in love or become too much dependent on a particular technology. Because I have seen a lot of people who have connected them tightly or bounded them tightly with certain stacks or technologies like data science, AI. It's like I have seen a lot of people like I'm an AI engineer, and I only deal with AI technologies and AI tools. So actually, we need to understand that we are just problem solvers. The companies where we are working for, they have some certain problems and they want to get those problems solved. They just want to get they just want to solve those problems in an efficient way such that those problems can be solved efficiently and permanently with very minimal resources required and with very minimal impact or problems in the very long future itself, which just means that they want to permanently solve that problem with very minimal resources. That's what they aim. So, as problem solvers, our role is to find which is the best way to solve that particular problem. So, assume that I have learned AI. Sometimes the problem that a company might have could be solved with a very least expensive thing. But what if just because I learned AI, I'm gonna integrate AI with that problem to solve it? Actually, it is wasting the resources, right? Because I could have utilized those resources to solve much bigger problem and to unlock better value for the company. So it's like when when the problem of a company could be solved with just a WordPress, you are trying to build an entire efficient, optimized website with main stack and all, when it could have easily been solved with WordPress. That's it. So we need to identify as a problem solver. We are problem solvers. I'm not a data scientist. I'm learning data science here, but I'm not a data scientist. Do not label yourself to a particular technology. You are a problem solver. You are trying to find the best possible tools to solve those problems efficiently and to make sure that those problems won't erupt or it won't become complex in the future. That's the kind of stable solution that we need to build. So I think rather than labeling ourselves or connecting ourselves to a particular stack or technology, start referring ourselves as problem solvers. That's the kind of mentality shift I had when I interacted with my mentors, because one of my mentors even told me that we are problem solvers. In the near future, sometimes the problems might be solved with easier tools and optimized tools, and sometimes we may not even need AI. In those cases, be willing to study the new technologies or tools that are easier, that can solve the problems much efficiently. Sometimes it may come at the cost of dumping the old tools which we were using. Yeah, if the new tools are better and efficient and cheaper, then we will have to switch to that, because we want to provide value. We want to solve problems, and we want to solve problems with least resources. We need to find the way for it. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the key reality we need to embrace, we need to understand. So, this was the key mentality shifting idea that I had to pass on to you. So, yeah, now you might be thinking, then what is the purpose of learning or understanding or identifying the new technologies that are emerging? The purpose of getting updated with these technologies and tools is to identify which are the tools which can help me to solve the existing problems I have or the businesses have much more efficiently and cheaply. That's the purpose of becoming updated with latest technologies and tools. That's why I share all information that I have. That's the main purpose of it, to understand, to identify those tools. Once I get to know that, oh, this tool or this technology can solve my problem or solve my company's problem efficiently and cheaply than the existing solutions, then I will quickly switch to that better optimized solution, because my goal is just to solve the problem in a much more optimized way or much more efficient way. I don't care about the solution. I just want to get to the goal. I just want to solve that problem. And to solve that problem, I don't care about what is the path I take, what is the solution I will have to go through. I just need to make it better for the current time as well as for the future. And that's the kind of mentality or mindset that we need to have. And if we have it, it's a golden thing, because it's very rare people behave like this. And if you're showing a behavior like this, taking a mindset of ownership and trying to solve the problems of the company, taking the problems of your company as your problems and trying to solve them for them, I'm pretty sure that people will understand your work ethic and they'll be really grateful to you. And you will get the opportunities to work on your skills, to develop your communication skills, and to become a better person. Yeah, that's the key thing. So realize it. You are not a data scientist, you are not an ML engineer, you are not a min stack developer, you are not a quantum scientist, you are not a physicist, you are not a chemist, you're just a problem solver. Find better problems and learn to solve higher value problems. That's it. I'm repeating it again. If you just forget everything else, what I have said previously, just remember this one thing. When you are leaving this video, just remember that you are a problem solver, and find a problem that can unlock huge value to the company and learn to solve that high value problem. That's it. So see you in the next week. Bye bye.